With the rise in COVID-19 cases in Baltimore City, the school system has now announced some changes to its reopening plan. WMAR2 News' Abby Isaacs explains what it means for students.
It means those high-priority students who really need that in-person learning experience will still get it, but it's more limited, and the district has announced more resources.
We're not seeing within-school transmission, which signals to us that directionally our safety precautions are in place.
Baltimore City Schools CEO Dr. Sonia Santelises says in the 6 weeks that schools have been open with small group in-person learning, they've experienced just one positive case and not a single case of transmission. That's why she feels confident in moving forward with reopening to help the students that need it most.
Some of our most vulnerable students for whom virtual learning is not working really need that in-person opportunity.
However, in response to rising COVID-19 rates, she says it'll be scaled back. Originally, 44 schools were supposed to open as of this coming Monday. Now it's just 27.
This is not a full reopening of 27 schools. It is not everybody back in as if there's not a virus.
The students targeted for in-person learning are those with disabilities, homeless students, and pre-K and kindergartners, as well as the about 20% of students on any given day who she says just aren't logging on. She says they're continuing to distribute resources for connectivity, but it's not just always about having them. It's about knowing how to use them.
If you are someone who is not used to navigating the technological platform or, frankly, the world of the internet, those things are incredibly frustrating.
The district will continue to follow all the CDC safety protocols for reopening. And Santelises announced Tuesday a new partnership with the University of Maryland Medical Center and the City Health Department to offer on-site COVID-19 testing for symptomatic staff and students. Also new this week, in response to the calls for more transparency, City Schools launched a dashboard to share COVID-19 data specific to the schools, including the number of positive cases, potential transmission, and closures. The Baltimore Teachers Union continues to express concerns about reopening and a desire to remain fully virtual for the rest of the semester, but they did not have an additional comment today about these changes. For WMAR2 News, I'm Abby Isaacs.